All right, Thomas, another man of the match performance, especially at this point, at this stage of the season. Score 2 goals today. What are you feeling about that, first of all?
Well, it was a very great game. Come out and execute the game plan and come out victorious.
Definitely, Jonathan Grant came out, but unfortunately, it didn't really turn up as though you guys would want. So, would you say it was a fairly decent game for you guys, or it was a bit tougher than what you thought?
A little bit tough in the second half.
Second half.
In the second half, we kind of dropped. We are moved to shore now.
You think a bit of overconfidence crept in?
Yeah, definitely.
So far your season personally, you think that you're having a good season, or you think that you're really living up to your expectation? Or there's more to come from?
There's more.
What area you think you need to work on for you to say, boy, you really push it now, so you want to make that next step?
My finishing a little bit. Finishing.
All right, definitely. So today you scored 2 goals. I think that there's more goals coming from you for the season.
Only more.
All right. Well done again, yeah? And good performance. Bless up.